Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm about to try this hack that I saw on Instagram. It was Styles by Portia. I thought it was so cool. It even made the shade room. So I was like, you know what? Hold on, girl. You gave me ideas. Okay, that head is big. Disclaimer, I had used several different products on my hair before I chose the curly cream that I liked. Once I chose, it had too much product and it turned white. And I wanted to keep videoing to test this hack. I got a big forehead and I feel like I can make it smaller with a piece, okay? So let me show y'all that clip real quick. It was so cool. Okay guys, so this was the hack that I saw on Instagram. She actually cut her old frontal and placed it in front, and it gave me a really good idea to actually just try to make my forehead smaller, or just to make my forehead or hairline fuller so that I'm comfortable wearing my hair pushed back off my face. Okay, so what I decided to do was, I'm using kinky curly hair. It was from an old wig, and my hair, I went ahead and I put it in Bantu knots. I did save a piece because I wanted to show you like how I Bantu knotted. I am using Smoothie Moisture. And the one thing about like doing the Bantu knots is that I personally don't want it to be too tight, so I did let the hair dry, but I kind of wanted to try this smoothie out and see like how it does like with the curls without that. But I just want to test it because I know people are always looking for like a good curl cream. So let's just see like how it curls my hair up. And then I'm going to show you like how I actually did my Bantu knots. Okay, I found a comb, and we trying to see what the curls do. Okay, curls. Okay, curls. Okay, so that's not the look we're going for. So when I do my Bantu knots on natural hairs, a lot of times I don't like for it to be too wet. I want it to be dry. So I'm going to go ahead and like re-wet this and dry it and then Bantu knot it. Okay, so I left hair out on the sides, because when I put this on, I'm going to actually twist it inside my real hair. So let's just see what happened. Okay, so I'm going to use a liquid gold to slick back my edges. I had previous product on here, guys, so it did turn a little white. I didn't want to start it over, but, you know, because that's going to be covered up, so I wasn't worried about it. I had some moisturizer on here, which is kind of greasy, so when the liquid gold got on there, it turned a little white, but don't worry about that. It's not going to be like that. I'm using a liquid gold glueless products. I don't know how this is going to turn out, so I was like, I didn't want to glue it with the glue product, which is a little bit more permanent. So I was just trying this out with the liquid gold. I usually like to do one side at a time. Make sure you do watch our other videos using the liquid gold, and you will see exactly how it's done. I like to dry it just a little and then hold it down and dry it on there. Try not to press it in while you're drying it, guys, because that will make it turn white as well. Our glueless Boldhold liquid gold has become very popular. A lot of people have been telling us that Chinese vendors have been reaching out to them, trying to copy our product and telling them they can private label it. Watch this. Stop scrolling. Okay, guys, so I know you guys heard about companies using formaldehyde or DMD in their product. It's a well-known carcinogen that causes cancer. About 7 months ago, you guys started DMing me about a company that told you they can make liquid gold. My product does not contain DMD or alcohol, but theirs does. So if you find any products that are similar to our Bold Hold Liquid Gold Serum, make sure you check the ingredients because it may be some unsafe ingredients in there, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna cut some baby hair. Everything is on here and holding. It's holding. I'm gonna cut this down because this is not the length of my hair. I'm gonna cut the baby hair. Also wanted to part this so you guys can see what it's doing. And remember, I sectioned off a piece of my real hair in here so that I could twist the front. So let's go ahead and cut it up, twist it up. Okay, so I'm going to use our Bold Hold Lace Jelly on my edges for my baby hair. This is another one of our glueless products. Guys, you can get it on our website at www.thehairdiagram.com. I love it. A lot of people have used it and tried it, guys. It doesn't take much. That's the good thing about it, and you'll actually absolutely love it. So you got to try it. What I do, guys, I like to dry mine as I go. I feel like it holds better. Okay, so now I'm going to twist the actual frontal piece. I'm going to use some Curl Smoothie by Flamboyant Touches. I'm going to take that cream and I'm going to just use a little bit. I'm using it on dry hair like I did mine. I don't want it too wet. I just put a little bit of water. Now, I did leave some of my real hair in behind this frontal so that I can mix it in with the actual frontal. And I just feel like that's going to give it a natural look. I've never done this before. This is my first time doing this right with you guys, watching it all at the same time. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm just guessing it's, you know, it should work. See link in description box for the Smoothie Cream. It's the portable dryer, rather. Let it dry. Okay, so when you untwist it, you can use a little oil. I'm just using some extra oil that I had, just some like regular Jamaican oil, just so that, you know, it's not too dry because I rarely wear my hair out, so this is so needed. Just separating it, taking my hands and just finger combing it just to make sure that I don't disturb the curl too much. So I don't want to use a comb. It's best to use your hands. So I kind of like packed it in. I'm trying to figure out like where I'm going with this. I don't know. I'm just trying to give it like a little style. You can kind of play with it or whatever. It's totally up to you. Okay, guys, so this is the end result. I really like it. I think it turned out great. I ended up putting like a headscarf on. You could do a headband. I really like it. I like my curls. I really feel like this is going to give me the confidence that I need to be willing to wear my hair out without compromising how I feel about my forehead. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. So if you guys thought this was a great hack, or if you thought it was whack, comment below. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.